Okay, hello, this is question 1, page 2 on the logic notes. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do here is De Morgan. Okay, so you're going to break the line there. Okay, so just going to carry that down there, so that would be an and then I'm going to write out again. Okay, so these two lines here, they're going to get cancelled out. So I'm going to write out again now, so it's not A or A and A or B. Okay, now I could keep that. There was a line over the top there, so I'm going to keep the brackets back in to show that there was. And then we've got B, not B or not C, but the line carries on over there because the line was broken there. So we can De Morgan that again. So I'm just going to write DM there. We DM'd it there. We DM'd it there as well. That changes the sign to an OR. So plus and becomes OR, and then those two are now the same width, even though they're broken there. So that becomes just B, and that becomes C. Okay, I'm just going to write that again for clarity. Now, what can we do next? Well, we can either go straight to absorption there, because there is absorption. So this is absorption there. Okay, so A and A or B. Now you can think of that as absorption. If you think of what A is, if A is 0, yep, then that AND's going to cause a 0, even though that B could be a 1 there. So you just follows that. Now A is 1, that's going to cause a 1 inside here, whatever B is, and A and 1, 1 and 1 is A, is 1. So it's going to be that whatever. So you can just do absorption there, or you can multiply it out. So A and A, or A and B. But we're going to just do the absorption. So I'm just going to write underneath that absorption. Okay, and then that's all good. Right, so that's just going to give us A. So in the brackets then we're going to have now not A or A. Now, okay, so there we go. Now you might be wondering why I didn't earlier on go, let's put the brackets back in there as well. Now, why didn't just do not A or A? Because that AND would have priority here, so you couldn't do that. All right, so not A or A is 1, so we end up with 1 and B or C, and that just leaves us with B or C. There we go. I say simple as that, but there's quite a few things going on there.